Losing old photos can feel terrible, whether it's family memories, vacation pictures, or important moments you never meant to delete. But the good news is, many deleted photos can still be recovered, even if you think they're gone forever. In this video, I'll show you 3 powerful tools that can help you bring back old deleted photos from your phone, SD card, or computer. Let's start with the first one, Google Photos. If you use Android or have Google Photos enabled, your deleted pictures might still be in the trash folder. Photos stay there for 60 days unless you permanently delete them. Just open Google Photos, go to Library, then Trash. If the photos you're looking for are there, tap Restore. They'll instantly return to your gallery. Even better, if you turn on Backup and Sync, Google Photos may have stored older versions online, even if they're no longer on your device. Tool number 2 is DiskDigger. This is one of the most popular recovery apps for Android. DiskDigger scans your internal storage and SD card to find deleted images, even those removed months or years ago. Install the app, run a deep scan, and let it search through your memory. You'll see thumbnails of every recoverable photo. You can restore them directly, save them to your phone, or back them up to cloud storage. While the free version focuses on photos, it's extremely effective for older deletions. The third tool is Recuva, available for Windows. Recuva scans your PC's hard drive, USB drives, or SD cards from cameras and phones. It's especially useful if you transferred your photos to a computer at some point. Choose the location to scan, select pictures, and run a deep scan. Recuva will show deleted files in green, yellow, or red depending on how recoverable they are. In many cases, even photos deleted years ago can be fully restored. Before we finish, here's an important reminder. The sooner you try to recover deleted photos, the better the chances. Avoid installing too many apps or saving new files, because they may overwrite deleted data. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can bring back precious memories you thought were lost forever. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.